Hey there, young developers. Want to create and share your very own website in just a few minutes? With Codidactic's Web Page Creator, you can do it. First, give your website a unique name. This will become your personal web address that you can share with friends and family. Next, use our simple code editor to write your website. Don't worry if you're just starting. You can check out our Create Your First Web Page tutorial for help. When you're happy with your design, just hit Save to publish your website instantly. Want to add images? Once you've saved your website, the image upload tool appears. Copy the image name into your code. Finally, share your creation with the world using your web address.